Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install Binance on your Ubuntu 24.4 server. By the end of this video you will be able to start using it.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
The first thing we do after updating the packages is download the Binance package using the following command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free months on all virtual services on our website. Next, update the package again and install Binance using the following command. Now go to your graphical desktop environment and you will find Binance among your installed applications. Just click on it and it will launch. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.